Hey, Thiago speaking here, and today I will show you the average travel method that's a really nice way to plan your next trip. And thanks for watching. Talking to Thiago, I hope you really enjoy, and let me start with the average definition, which is the sum of amounts collected and shared by the total quantity used, where you probably have learned it in your maths class. Can you remember that? So here is an example between euro and Brazilian currency with a simple point of view. Imagine on July of last year you planned a holiday to Brazil in December and started in September. Exchange some saved amounts monthly that you use in this travel, where an economic circumstance provide you these values, and you follow them with the accomplishment to get a strategic procedure. This example could be do it for long period trips also, where you are understanding how the market usually proceed other than beating your saves. Therefore, the advantage is about the economic future that we never have sure. Although we like to estimate companies with valuation metrics and investment with fundamental analysis. By the way, this work is just a beginning of this channel, and it's really nice to see your participation here, giving your like and subscribing it. Follow the Instagram too to stay connected with the daily details about the vlog, and thanks for your attention. See ya!